welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a perfume collection. I've been wanting to do this video for a while now. I have tons of perfumes. I am gonna show you in order from like perfumes that I don't wear too much to perfumes that I wear literally all the time. If you guys are interested, please keep watching and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's just get right into the video. I have this bin over here that I got from Target last year, literally in the dollar section, and I just put lotions, perfumes. I do have more lotions than perfumes, so if you guys want to see like a lotion collection, let me know. Maybe I'll do that as well. So that's why there's like some lotions in here as well. I'm just gonna show you guys the ones that I don't use too often. Not that I don't wear them, I just don't reach for them on a daily basis. Most of the perfumes I have, they're not actually perfume, they're like fragrance mists. So the first one I'm showing you is the Victoria's Secret Midnight Ivy Fragrance Mist. This is what it looks like over here, and it smells really pretty. It says on the back that it's sexy warm woods, a touch of cozy gourmand, and dark and enticing. So this one smells really good. Kind of musty. It smells really good though. This one I don't reach for too often, but I really do like it, and it smells really pretty. Next one I have is also from Victoria's Secret. This is the Aqua Kiss one, and this one has been sitting here for a long time because it's like really dirty around it. This is what that one looks like. To be honest, the reason why I don't wear this one this much is because I just like don't like the smell of it anymore. It was never really like my favorite scent. I just bought it anyway. I don't know. It does smell nice. It's a nice fresh scent. The next one I have is the Victoria's Secret Temptation Unwrapped. If any of you know me, you know Temptation is my favorite scent from Victoria's Secret. They got rid of like the original Temptation, which I'm really sad about. I got this one to kind of replace it, and then I found another one that I'm gonna show you guys that was much better and smells more like the original than this one. But this one smells nice. It just smells a tad bit different. It doesn't really smell too much like the original, so that's why I don't wear it that much. And then the last Victoria's Secret one in this section is the Victoria's Secret Total Attraction, and this one smells really good. I actually got this as a gift from my friend Kaylin, and I know that she watches my videos now. If you're watching, hey, she got this for me as a gift, and it was really sweet. I was in one of my management classes one day, and she was like, oh, do you like the smell of this? And I was like, yeah, it smells really pretty. She was like, good, it's yours. And I was like, it like made my entire day. It's more of like a summer scent, so that's why I don't wear it too much right now. The last one in this bin is a little mini one from Bath & Body Works. This is the Fresh Sea Salt Mango one. This one smells really good. My beach scent. I don't know about you, but whenever I go to the beach, I always bring like a perfume. When I leave the beach, I can like smell nice. I don't know. It's just something that I do. This one smells really good. It does smell like the beach, water, sand, mango, fruit. This is one that usually ends up going in like my beach bag, but currently snowing out, so I'm not going to the beach anytime soon. Again, I do wear them, I just don't wear them as much, so I just like keep them off to the side. What I'm grabbing off of here is the perfumes that I wear a lot of the time. So how I'm gonna like categorize these, all of these are either Bath & Body Works, Victoria's Secret, or Ariana Grande. You see where I'm going with this. So I'm just gonna show you guys those. The first one that I'm gonna show you is my most recent purchase from Bath & Body Works for perfume. So this one is the Mary Cherry Cheer. As you can tell, I've barely gone into it. It smells like berries. It kind of smells like the Winterberry Wonder. I don't know why I think of that one, but it smells like berries. It smells really pretty. The next one I'm grabbing is Magic in the Air. I absolutely love this scent from Bath & Body Works in general. This is one of my favorite scents that they have. I prefer the lotion to the perfume. This is definitely like a winter one that I wear a lot, and I've gone into it a little bit. See, this is the thing. You guys are probably like, why don't you wear any of these? I do wear them, I just don't wear them every single day. Magic in the Air is one of my all-time favorites from Bath & Body Works. And then now we're getting into the summer scents, because summer is my favorite time of the year. We had a snowstorm last night because Massachusetts is great to live in. This one is Poolside Pop, and again, going back to my friend Kaylin, she was the one that got me this one. She got me the lotion, the shower gel, and the fragrance, and I've used all of the shower gel, but this one one smells really good. It's sweet but not too sweet, and it's just really nice in the summer. And then the next one I'm gonna show you is the Waikiki Beach Coconut. I really like that this is like a different shape. It's not like your regular circular one. I remember I got this for $5. They were having like $5 fragrances and I was like, yes. This one smells really, really good. Summer scent. I wear it during the summer all the time. I know it may not look like that, but I promise I wear this. It definitely smells like coconut. It definitely smells like the beach. Again, I suck at describing fragrances, so I'm just like, oh, it smells like the beach. But like, it really does. It's gonna bring you back to the summertime. My last one from Bath & Body Works is my all-time favorite. This is the Beautiful Day fragrance, and as you can see, this is the one that I've gone into the most. This is one that I wore a lot. This one is so good. Ugh. This and Magic in the Air are like my two favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. I feel like this is more of like a springtime scent. I know it's like crazy to like categorize them by like the seasons. It smells nice and fresh. So if you haven't smelled this one from Bath & Body Works yet, I highly recommend it. Now we are getting into the Victoria's Secret ones. First, I'm gonna go back to that Temptation one. So like I said, I don't have the original Temptation anymore, but I have that Temptation Unwrapped, and then I also have the Temptation Water Blooms one, and this one smells really, really good. This is the closest one that smells like the original Temptation. The story behind why I don't have the original Temptation anymore is because last year my mom went to Portugal and I was being nice. I let her borrow my original Temptation and then she put it in her carry-on by accident, not her suitcase, and TSA threw it out. Apparently after that they never sold the original Temptation again. I miss the original. Again, the Water Blooms is like the closest to the actual. Highly recommend if you haven't smelled it before. If you're gonna smell Temptation though, obviously like I said, they don't have the original one anymore. Don't go for the unwrapped one. They have a Temptation Lace one too, which I haven't smelled. Don't go for those ones. Go for the Water Blooms because that's the closest. The next little fragrance mist that I have is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Seduction one. This one is so good. I want to get the actual perfume version of this soon. I got this on Black Friday. It came with like a little lotion and everything. This is only 2.5 fluid ounces, so it's not too bad.
My room smells like so many different perfumes. People are gonna walk in and literally be sick.
This one smells really good and it's one of my all-time favorites. So the next one I'm gonna show you is the Victoria's Secret Paris one, and as you can see, this is one that clearly I'm gonna need a refill of soon, but this one smells super nice. Out of all of my perfumes, this and Cloud I get the most compliments on. Like, it just smells so good and it stays on all day, literally. Like, even if you think it's worn off, it hasn't. It just smells really, really good. So this is one of my all-time favorites from Victoria's Secret. This one over here I have is the Crush scent from Victoria's Secret. Right over here, this is what it looks like. It has a little pusher thing. I wear it more in like the spring and summertime, but it smells really, really pretty. It kind of smells like flowers in a way. I don't know. I also have the lotion of this perfume as well. This is Victoria's Secret Angel, and this is probably the sweetest perfume that I own. Like, this one's like really, really sweet, and I use it quite often, but I don't wear it too much because I kind of have to be in the mood to wear it, because when you spray it, it's like very, very sweet. It's kind of like sweet like candy. Like, it's just very like powerful and like kind of overwhelming sometimes. The packaging is really cute. It has like the little angel wings on the back, and it's just like a nice clear bottle, and it's really, really pretty. I actually have the box on display in my room. If you like really, really sweet scents, then this one is definitely for you. This is my last Victoria's Secret fragrance. The final perfumes that I'm going over is the Ariana Grande ones. As you might have guessed, these are the ones that I wear the most often. I have all of the 4 main ones. I don't have the Frankie one. I don't have the Sweet Like Candy limited edition one, like the red bottle. I have like the rest of them. This is the Ari perfume, which smells really, really nice. This is a little poof ball that I put on myself. My dad, he actually bought me this perfume for Christmas. He's gotten me like all of the perfumes for Christmas, so shout out to him. He gave me the gift set, and it came in like this really like pretty box and everything. It wasn't like this spray kind of thing. You didn't push down to spray it. It was kind of like the Crush one where you have to like push into this. That was how the perfume came out, and one day the perfume just stopped working. I had to return it. I'll lot of people were having issues with that as well, I guess. Kept the box and I kept the bag that came with it. I have another perfume and the perfume didn't come with the cap and the little puff ball came off. This was the original puff ball, but for some reason it wouldn't attach. Other than that, I just found this one because it's like,
oh, well,
as I literally break it, never mind. This is what was on it. Love that for me.
love breaking things on camera.
So I have the Ari one and it smells really, really pretty. This is the Sweet Like Candy one. The puff ball is still attached. And this one, I just love the packaging of these. Same with Moonlight. Out of all her perfumes, this is probably the one that I wear the least now. I mean, it's almost gone. It's just not really my favorite perfume by her anymore. Going in with the next one, this is Moonlight. This one kind of smells like Ari, but it smells like older, if that makes sense. So it has the same kind of scent as Ari, it's just more mature than Ari, I guess you can say. And then onto the very last perfume that I'm showing you guys. This is Cloud. Not a surprise, I've been through this before. This is my second bottle of Cloud. The first bottle I had was the 1.7 ounce and I went through that in like 2 months. I'm using this one a lot too. Like I said, the Paris by Victoria's Secret and this one is the one that gives me the most compliments. Personally, I don't really like the little cloud that it comes in. I mean, I think the idea is cute, but to me it kind of looks childish. That's just my own opinion, sorry. I usually like to take it out of the cloud and just use it like this, especially if I'm traveling and everything. This is the 1.7 ounce. This is the 3.4 ounce. So when you put them side by side, it's like such a huge difference. Just compare the bottle size. This one's empty, by the way. There's like nothing left. I don't know why I'm keeping it. Yeah, as you can see, there's literally nothing left in here. This is the 1.7 ounce. This is the 3.4 ounce. And you go through the 1.7 ounce kind of quickly. So I highly recommend getting the bigger size. The size difference is literally insane. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. If you want like a lotion collection video, let me know because I think I have more lotions than I have perfumes, to be honest. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!